Sabotage, hardcore, Minecraft, fanbots, capture the flag.
Capsules located.
New weapon unlocked. The Pussy Destroyer.
Fuck her right in the pussy!
Wrecked.
Where the fuck am I? Oh no, not again. Hack it for fuck's sake. Well, let's give it a try.
Only 1 second later.
And then he finally cummed on her face and continued to wreck some memers.
Oh look.
Wow, what the fuck is happening?
Please don't shoot me, man.